Hey guys, welcome back. Today I wanted to go over a few different ways to make money on both Fiverr and Upwork without any prior freelance experience or skills. For those of you who don't know, Upwork and Fiverr are online platforms that allow freelancers to market and sell really any type of digital service, but there's 100 different things you can do. So like really any platform, to get started, you do need to have a profile that stands out and looks legit to increase your chances of getting more buyers and more clients. So this first one is really simple and requires little to no skills at all, and it's perfect if you already watch a lot of YouTube. So it's reviewing and studying other people's YouTube channels. A lot of smaller creators like myself are always looking for ways to improve their content and the aesthetic of their channel, and are willing to pay people a few dollars at a time to view their videos, to observe their channels, and provide them feedback on things they can improve upon. You probably won't be able to charge too much for this gig, but it is pretty easy since all you're really doing is watching a few YouTube videos and providing feedback on what they can do differently to help their channel grow. So that is something that is pretty simple and easy, and is in pretty high demand as well since there are a lot of creators out there. This next one doesn't require too much skill, but does require a little bit of creativity. So number 2 is offering social media marketing for companies and brands on your own personal accounts like Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. What's nice about this is you don't need to be an expert in social media marketing. You just need to be able to come up with creative titles and posts and videos about companies and then post them on your own social media platforms. So essentially, you're just running ads for companies on your own personal social media. And obviously, the more followers you have on social media, the more you can charge for these posts. The next one also requires some creativity, but not too much skill. It's writing content for websites. A lot of entrepreneurs and companies need written content for their websites, usually post between 300 and 500 words, whether it be white pages or blog posts. So if you can provide companies quality, creative, written content, and you can get it done pretty quickly, you can charge up to $100 per post. I do know of people who make anywhere from $5,000 to $10,000 a month as freelance writers on both Fiverr and Upwork. But of course, with that, like anything, it takes time and experience to build up a pipeline of clients and eventually get to that level. But it is definitely possible to get started as a content writer on both Fiverr and Upwork. Like I said before, there are a lot of companies and startups and entrepreneurs out there that need feedback or reviews on their products or services. So number 4 is offering product reviews. So this can be as simple as testing out a product that a company sends you or using a service that a company offers, and then writing out a full description or review of that product or service. Another thing that you can do is make a video of yourself reviewing that product and talking about kind of the things that you like about it or maybe don't like about it, and then sending that video back to the company. So doing these product reviews probably isn't something that will make you rich, but it is a way to make money on both Fiverr and Upwork. This last one can actually make you a lot of money, but it does require a little bit of an investment in equipment. So this last one is voiceover audio recording. This is something where the more talented you are at it, especially if you have a very unique sounding voice, the more gigs you'll be able to get and the more money you can charge as well. So this type of work can be pretty easy as well. All you're really doing is just reading from a script, recording it, and then sending it to the company. But in some cases, they do make you write your own script and then record it, which of course, if that is the case, you can charge a little bit more. I hope this video was helpful. If you guys have any questions, if I left anything out or missed something, please leave them in the comments below and I'll answer them the best that I can, and I will hopefully catch you later. See ya.